Alright, we're going to be doing the front camber kit on the hatch today by removing your tire. We're going to get this pin out and we're going to take that nut off. Pin out and the nut, and all I did was hit this up with a hammer and it just pops right out. Once you got that nut out and you pop it out, you're going to open the hood and take these two screws out. This is a 96 Civic. Alright, so now we're going to take these two off right here. One right there and one right there. You know the Integras are different. I think they're up here, or they have additional ones, but on the 96 to 2000 Civic, they're on the side, and it's a 14. Get that fucker off without breaking. There we go. 14 takes both those off, both bolts on both sides. Now this piece just comes out. Just like that. Literally took me like 5 minutes, not even. Holy shit. It's kind of worn out. Get that new in. Kind of hand tighten it all the way, or you don't get it. Hand tighten these in all the way, both sides. We're not gonna crank it down yet. We got them both hand tight on both sides. See, I was able to do that hand tie all the way in. Now we're gonna get this nut off the ball joint. We're gonna put it in here. Once you got that on like this, we're gonna go ahead and tighten this up. Just enough to get a pin through. Now we're gonna take one of two cotter pins. We're gonna just feed it through that side and we're gonna bend it side down like that. And that's just this yet until I get the tires on and sit it down and see what it actually comes. But pretty sure we're gonna have to adjust this, or I might just go get a line. Now what I'm gonna do before I tighten these back ones up all the way, I'm gonna take my jack and put it underneath here and jack it up and put everything under like a load as it would sit if it wasn't on the jacks. That way it compresses everything as it's gonna be driving, and then I'm gonna go ahead and tighten both sides, tighten down all the way. Jacked up, it's floating off the jack now. And we're just gonna tighten these tight. All the way snug now. Left side tight, now the right side tight. We got them tight on both sides. Another look at the driver's side. Took me about 20 minutes, I think, tops. Everything looks good. Everything's nice and tight. Same exact thing on the other side. Take this nut out on the pin, pop that out. Take those two 14 bolts out from inside the engine bay. The only problem on the passenger side is to get this bolt out, you actually have to take out the battery. So this one comes out fine, but this side you have to take out the battery to get the bolt to come out all the way. Got those two bolts out passenger side and just pull that control arm out. Out with the old, the new. Maybe 35 minutes tops, both sides.